Mima Oyakwaba Eba GC News, hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm the Bravo. Twene Jonas for the and Symbia Betuga now up a be able to up and a Christian Twene Jonas in some Betuga. Now answer me and sibling in our Bebano Message. So when you subscribe to the channel now, Message over subscribe. Now while I can watch a video no ama of Frosu in Bina wash. Afriyie ko and sibling Twene Jonas, you see a report glass and it is what it is. Now no papa bi ebopre no na papa yi na tese wotu so hu Twene Jonas na ne boafu a wo tese won hwe yi careful na ekire na papa yi etu Twene Jonas fo hu ya nse okasa won ko betu no bopa tese wa bi ama na $500 ama na tese wo yi Twene Jonas fi ho na no ekoye nsem bebe Ghana fo na won hwe Twene Jonas video no wane bo anyo so ama bebe tese ebe ya Twene Jonas reporting in police Kevin Taylor kwade na lutu no a wo tese be papa ne geduma no papa na chese onu otwi taxi e ma Kennedy Agyapong say sadia wona be chokra dia kuma ye taxi you know na ma ye papa na free hodom say koye nsem bibiri na we na Twene Jonas aba bonten a wo de chopa a wo che Ghana for say be ya wona fa papa ne boni enche no na no na wo chese report ni ade a wona report papa yi say e be kwa ye deport no say aye ensem bibiri na ye semre ni nti Twene Jonas bibini so ye nipo it is what it is glass in Yinti said they were the sensible in to the Pagana photo, say one fanche papa. Now, what they assemble do now and atuga. Now, you could see Twene Jonas and Sama what the atuga.
When it comes to the Almighty Twene Jonas, the name the Almighty Twene Jonas, as a training in an say, oh my Ghana in some Twene Jonas, and so me or warm up, so it doesn't matter how feelings you have for Asante and now how much feelings you have for Akufo-Addo, how much feeling you have for John Mahama. Ghana first, no matter what, I'm telling you the truth, that is the real. And I have preached over the years to Ghanaians and they have come to realize we can also do better for our own homeland. And with that being said, it has made Ghanaians love me to the maximum point that if you come and see me on warm up, now Nimina be threatening me. It put your life in danger, and it put everything in danger because on the ama sesiano mine wanu ne ho se o hia me wan twa ne picture no anko ne baby no ye ne se o ba betu me fo e bia na agro na no kan di. But the threatening now got threatening yenti. I'm go for report is yen report on yen say. So if you come for the Almighty Twene Jonas, people will come for you. And you see, I know mine, a foot to am the man and say, baby, I on antifa no, on their own change baby on antifa. And now, my upper crown shed the money in PA because I don't know over catching you. I could for the crab coming or risking a life. What would the other not it is what you say. Twene Jonas no nyo bia there be Mensah. Don't do that because I have millions upon millions upon millions that worship me like the way who worship Yesu na eka Yesu asema and I worship Muhammad no. If you like, let me come and stand. Sammy standing man penny na me campaign. I will win the election. What when you are no? They love me regardless. They love me because omunim say me nyina have for pet bia ma me kapre wa jimi me ba be fire. Enkofo grammar reference say onu ani ma me cry nkwasi ade of fire. Yes, because why should I favorite my mother? Whoever, nobody is below warm up. Whoever be nkwasi ade bia ye fire say be the right thing. Say the be on mind be fan into my perfra. See, as much as I met to kwanya me making me money moves, you know, and I'm saying no, let me use this opportunity to come and apologize. Say Ghana for Mensah ayemu ya say papa ni yes but forgive because forgive I got securities I ain't scared of nobody means I got money, I got securities, I got any and everything. So no matter what, I'm good. So I'm begging you, wow, afa utrimu pose obekwa kodi papa ne bone na mo amose ne mbefa akira ku papa no mo mbefa akira ye ne bibi no mesira mo nyina mo nyae anya afi na obi ba befa we obi ba befa papa ne hotan obi wa na emotions sem no de kasa o what the feelings because of say I oya santini on ya meche because I warm up na bi kan otumfo e bi kan we e bi kan krom na bi kan we enso obi a pese o man ye ono wote no Ghana ya nka 65 years o metena bro change taxi kwasi broni bi ani wa ono obenya 40 years kra o be free ni krom America say o kwa Africa ko taxi is 2 million times impossible 2 million thousand times impossible o man ye ni ntina wa free krom aba and a friend who go to a subscriber or a lover or say what happened is say warm up once a Ghana for Shiami or so they take photos, you know, no much Shiami no muko. But this man on the other hand Shiami and or say obey Timia Mobi $500. I'm a nipakro our music and no naspake news to Ghana ama Obia Buafu. Wow, including both NDC for and MPP for you know say and ye omo abefa kwambia so papa na na say umbe report na ma ne lances nyina ya gene hwan so and what I'm saying is say I'm begging you guys, I know you love me, NDC love me, MPP love me, everybody love me, all Ghanaians love me. I respect the fact that you love me and I love you all. But what I'm trying to say is say obi wo ha o ye mistake back wa emotion or make it obua entina atembia o wiase a never make a decision when you are angry. Always make a decision when you have peace of mind. Yes, how the Akufo make a decision now be here the any kwanse we and the papa ni nya enka o wa nkasa wanu ne ho but it's too late. So on am channel enti mesram and all trend on news baby o since ya wonu ba wiase nyina wonyi onko news mu da ene other news baby a ni picture da ho wonu am channel enti aba be ye risky zone amano ni picture ye post ni picture news ni nyina oda so say ye sikampo na ukotua ma obi say on post to picture kura o TV so a nka wuntimi trend sa ti ya make sure yo but the almighty no I'm bigger beyond the news, I'm bigger beyond political party, I'm bigger beyond anybody, I'm bigger than anybody in Ghana, nobody in Ghana who has ever lived why bigger than me. Eti nkofo atwetwe letter nyina de ama America I deportation I for say omu deport no ana say omu nye ne permanent residence nyina free ni nsem. Oh, Akua friend do to say he's not correct in head. Yes, one say Akua friend do to kura ni buafu. I'm telling Ghana ni bia say we are together, we are one family, we are one people. Nobody hate nobody. We want the best. Ukrom ayeya and come at kwasi broni krom metri taxi. I'm telling you the truth. It's a fact. So, Akua friend do go to a subscriber say he should leave our hero alone. Yes, of course. Anti Emma kwasi ade ame fire om, Emma kwasi ade ame fire om, enkra be kwasi ade ame fire. Empanifo be ya ame fire. Anti also say Twene Jonas is for all the people. Anti I'm not here as anti hini oya de pa me fire oya de boni ame bona baso osi ho ma bona baso non stop abaso bo oji sika be ya hospital ma bona baso non stop nti ade na da bia me bona baso de amu meka but oya de anya na me fire de anya na mubu afu. It doesn't supposed to work like that. Akufo-Addo me fire back to back oko lanchi airport ukumas me be bona baso. Until we want the people to sit up. And to say what you wanna say obi anka wasema no aye relax ye tue sika mo anopato anwure we abo we nyina free krom everything we can also make our place our kwasi bronia sesa ya abo basement ni krom ensu ato anopa ye otoku form na ira gata bia ni krom a ba bia ni wa afo. Isn't this beautiful broche class? Tell me if this is not beautiful. Isn't this beautiful? Tell me if it is not. Tell me if it is not. It is beautiful, absolutely. Auntie, I'm telling you the reality, but the fact that you love somebody does not permit you to be on public space. The almighty platform, no, me platform, no, me baso na me kase say millions upon millions are watching. Thousands of hundreds of thousand people are watching. So what I'm telling you is the medians are also watching. So even as much as I delayed the video so that nobody can see the video, still the media will capture the video or my say see Akufo-Addo beka ebe ma speech no amani ye no bobo me di kuka en semhunu tretemia one way yaku abesi wa Ghana nya asem keto but okobo bi fufuro di and nobody cares. But when it comes to the almighty Twene Jonas, people love me. Akuya friend go to say Ghana first, Jonas is for Ghana, Ghana first. Yes, Twene Jonas tell them the reality. Yes, that's why I'm here to let them know. Let them know what is right. So you don't meet me, time I pretend it. Now they try picture na ko. Oh, and may say we a bema che obi a unye bema nchen Ghana for no. Oh yes, I obedru Ghana no obi akodi bone ana broche na ate na obi akodi bone kwa na meme te wono wabusi amfo bu afuse bia meme na maso obi mi wa menim ohwe meme nim ohwe o mada na nkuofuo edi news no kire me say si am report papa na hwan oh, and I'm so the Muntum Boase, and I have to come live to apologize to Ghanaians. Say, I'm forgive you, Papa. No, now, Papa, now, so the platform said radio for what's national patch out. So one can say, you're Mumpancho. So Ghana need whom about because the almighty Twene Jonas, nobody is bigger than me. Nobody. There has never been any Ghana near where live where the most toughest and strongest like me ever lived. Obia ba ni akoma ni skana na ye de ahye na funum na fe wadane NDC ni anana fe no wadane MPP ni obia ba ya ni amani skana ye de ahye na funum na fe wadane CPP ni anana fe no wadane we ni enti afe no be send na fu atokwe no ntimi nka no kore. I don't do that. Do you know a number of politicians who call my people men kra na beg you say we want Twene Jonas to endorse us? Countless number of people, but there be I endorse Ghanaians all the time. Auntie, I don't care who you are. I don't care how much money you have stolen. I don't care how much money you have. I do not. I care about my people. So my people will make sure I'm BI. My people will make sure I'm BI. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? So what I'm trying to say is if you are a Ghanaian, no matter who you are, whether you are from Northern region, Eastern region, Western region, you are from where? What man put you a fashion hukula and meshiame meyaisem. You don't do that. You do not. Oh yes, I'll risk your life. Obidu bwania me minimo show. Me minimo she nyankopon hata so kura nim se minimo she mada nyame nam kopa radio fu acho TV fu acho so me tua sika ma mo say omon type nshem say I didn't beg nobody. I did not. Nti mesraw obeye no ko risk your life no obidu bwania. I have no idea about it. I have zero ideas. Akufo-Addo what way you ko Jimmy say ya no bi ko di ne bone a because of me enya me omba so mbe me wa America no. You see what happened we in the Ghana for year and I'm telling you say you don't do that until the Ghana for me pomacho. As much as you love me, let's forgive our man or your papa tetefo no omuta matwam ombe wuchina. They don't know what is going on. What you say a branch or 30 years 25, what you say 40 years on the feel the pains where I'm coming from because on na babe warichina na o pesika ba akohoma o be pesika hwe ne school o be pesika tua school fees on the Philippine nya akokura wawu a on one how bia o wiase ne manyina anyinyini on tua school fees ntua hwe o sori afon no atwe no afre ne ba panyini na ne ba se ne 50 cedis no afre ne ba we na ne ba se ne 20 cedis. That person is not why we are here. We are here for the people, the youth. They need jobs. The youth. The youth are the reason why we are here. We are not here because of the old age. And this Ghana no, is a new Ghana for the new generation. And when the generation are struggling, they are suffering. I know the pains because I have suffered and suffer. Nani das wasa. And my boy become na and normal the day we can also make it happen. And we are talking about one nti kasa mesemo mfa mpansam ne nto nti na mehia na menka hwe no because I understand say ono no one how bia o wiase what you say ne ma wie school on tua hwe o wiase he does what America kura oje pension ka ho na otu taxi ni fam nti onye hwe on how nti I'm not talking about those people. Me catch that me kasama omo ave no mo koto proto besi dan ayeti cement ya to cement boom anopato anwumre menkasa ma wa usi dan 1981 and 1972. No, I'm talking about those who want to buy land 2024 and 2025 going. Those are the people I'm here for. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yo, it for winning and somewhere Twene Jonas. You beneath you, Yenipo, glass and qua, it is what it is. A chopper and I would say if you gonna force it, what if I and Chapapano. Now, Papaya or portrait and like a assembly and we're not gonna say one in for and Chelisans amount for report, you know. Say in Deport to the crowd. Now, Twene Jonas said it and simply go now and Atuga. Because just so and our channel. So we also subscribe. Yeah, Mr. Say over subscribe or no like it. Now, watch a video no ama offer for so any be now watch it. Also, bet me a chair what in offer a year and some we now who comment boxing. Mobati Minkabu in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.